Welcome to the Easy Tech channel, and this is a quick tips and tricks video for anybody using a Android tablet or phone. One of the biggest things that is dangerous for pretty much everybody is installing apps that are not from the Google Play Store. This is something that some people do, and remember that doing so is actually very risky. In the last survey that we have seen about malware on Android devices, more than 99%, so that gives you a big number, 99% of malware were in apps that were sideloaded, as we call them. That means that you went to a website and downloaded an app rather than going to the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store has been criticized for some security problems from time to time, but overall, remember that the Google Play Store is the safest place to install any apps. Also, apps that are something that you buy that you have to pay for, remember that they aren't free. If they are asking for a price for an app, it is an app that is sold. One of the biggest problems is that a lot of people are lured into websites that actually tell them, oh, you're going to get it for free here. Problem is that almost always is something that will actually make you get malware or problems on your device. Remember, your smartphone on Android or tablet also has a lot of personal data, a lot of personal information, including contact list and so on. So you got to stay safe and not be spied on. Well, always download apps from the Google Play Store. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.